So Milo and I are going for a walk today. We're going to get our exercise on. Right, Milo? Let me have her. Okay. High lick. Disgusting. No, we're not doing this. We are not doing this. We're not eating it. Give it to me. No, I told you that this is a problem. You have to stop this nonsense. Okay. All right. Can you poop or something if you're going to make a pit stop every 30 steps? Look, sir, home is back that way. Sir. Are you feeling yourself today? Feeling yourself today, young man? Dragging me, honey. No water break, no nothing. You ready? Put it down. Spit it. Spit it out. Spit it out. Disgusting. Yeah, we're past it. Are you tired yet? Hey. Hey. Do you want to get in here? Hey, look. You want to get in? You ready? Hey. No. Calm down, killer. Calm down, killer. It's okay. It's okay. Calm down, killer. Don't. No. Calm down. It's all right. You don't have to be vicious. You're beautiful. You're a beautiful beast. Everything's okay. Calm down. For a bush? Get your ass in here. No. Stay in there, Milo. Be safe. Be safe. Hey, Milo.
I'm gonna push you down, man. Just say dog the kid, I ain't not the man. I'm gonna push you down with your leg. Okay?
Well, how about if I push your ass down and keep it right? Come on, we gotta say goodbye. Come here. Come on. And that's our walk. We did it. We made it. Say goodbye.